Hi, I'm Christopher Schwarz. I'm editor of Popular Woodworking magazine. Making stopped grooves, whether it's with a plunge router and an edge fence, or whether it's with hand tools, is pretty tricky. In fact, I usually try to design my projects so that I use stopped grooves as little as possible, but sometimes it's unavoidable. For example, in this silverware tray, which is from our October 2007 issue, I had to make the grooves in the sides stopped. If I made them all the way through, then the groove would have shown on the ends, which is ugly. Making stop grooves by hand is straightforward with the right tools. First, you drill holes where the groove will start and end. Then you use a plow plane to remove the bulk of the waste. And then you follow that up to clean up the ends with a router plane or with a chisel. So let's do this. You want to pinch your work between dogs. Now, I put my work up on a spacer here to make room for the fence of my plow plane. Once I get that pinched, I'll get my cutting gauge. Now, if this part of the groove is going to be visible, I'll take this extra step of scoring the top line of the piece so that I get a clean shoulder up there. Then I take my drill and I drill the stop and start holes. This plow plane is a record 43 with a 1/4-inch iron installed. Now these tools aren't made anymore, but they're fairly easy to find from tool dealers. I like a small plow for stopped grooves because the shorter skate actually allows me to go deeper. You'll see why in a minute. Now set your depth stop so it is a little bit deeper than your finished groove, and then you can start work. Start at the far end with short, careful strokes. Each stroke gets a little longer as you back up. As you can see, the plow plane is scooping out the groove. It's deep in the middle and shallower at the ends. The short skate of the tool allows me to go deeper because it doesn't spend as much time riding over the ends. Then I use a router plane with a 1/4-inch cutter to clean up the ends. Set the depth of the blade to your finished depth of your groove. A few strokes and you should be done. Then you can square up the ends with a chisel if necessary. But I usually design my joint so I can just leave the rounded ends. For more projects and techniques, visit our website at popularwoodworking.com.